Welcome everyone to the Creating Eye-Popping E-Covers mini course. What we're going to do is redesign this cover for this box, okay? And we're not going to make it look the same. Now this is not a bad cover at all, okay? This is actually really good software. This is a real product. Membership Manager. I use the software. It's a great product. It's not a bad cover, but we're just going to make it just a little bit better, make it stand out there a little bit better. And in the meantime, in the process, I'm going to show you everything I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and what you can do to make your e-covers look better on the web. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to move this out of the way. Through this course, I will be using my amazing e-cover actions. Okay, and so this is a box. And so I'm going to go ahead and locate a box action to start with. I have my medium box here, box medium. I'm going to click on step 1 and press play. And Photoshop will design the layout for the box. Almost like a, not like a real template, but just tells me where I'm going to put the front cover, where I'm going to put the side, and so on. Now I'm going to pick up the pace here a little bit because this is not about my actions. This is about how to get creative creating e-covers. So what I'm going to do real quick is just remove the type layers from this little template layout here, because I know what the front is, what the top is, and what the side is on this box. And we'll just be left with just this background here. Okay, so take a good look here with this Membership Manager box. This is just kind of a small case study. We're not going to copy. We have the company name, Enterprise, at the very top. We have some small text over here that has a few features on the product. You know, really what the product is a fully featured website content and mailing list protection with easy management of users and much more. I think that's what it says. So. And the product is called Membership Manager. Okay, and it's got a little photo there with some pictures and everything. Pretty great. It's looking good. We're going to go ahead and just recreate this. Okay, so I have something to work with here. You've already seen this cover. We're going to go ahead and make another cover, but we're going to make it have just tons of more impact. So let's go ahead and I'm going to move this out of the way, put it down here, and I'm going to go ahead and just, what this portion is really teaching you how to get creative making e-covers in Photoshop. So let's go ahead and begin. Okay, now the very first thing I want you to do is fill the image, fill the template or layout in with a color. Just fill the whole thing in. Now this doesn't have to be the color you're totally sure about what you want to use, or maybe it will be, but you don't have to, it doesn't have to be the final color that you're going to use for the background for your e-cover. Just fill it in right now so we have something to work with. I'm going to go up here to select and select all. So I'm selecting the entire image, and I'm going to make a new layer because I want to fill in a color into a new layer and not over the background layer that I have here. So I'm going to go ahead and click the new layer icon on the bottom of the layers palette, and then I will come over to the toolbar and click on the foreground color to bring up the color picker. There we go. And I'll select a color here. It could be just another different shade of blue, whatever, and then click OK. And then I'm going to come up here to edit and fill, and we will just fill it in, everything here, this entire layer, with the foreground color. You choose, you know, what you want. You want to use the background color. We're going to use the foreground color. I'm going to click OK. There you go. Boom. It's filled in. Okay. I'm going to go up here to select and deselect. All right. Moving right along. So now if you look at a lot of e-covers on the web, I mean, you'll find some on my website, wherever you go, they're all sectioned out. Like the areas on the e-cover are like in sections. Okay. They have borders. Look at this. Here's the Membership Manager box, okay? Now this box was not created with my actions, and I did not design this box, but this is just kind of an example. You can see the areas are sectioned off. The name of the company is in its own area, and then they have a little area for the features, and then a big area for the name of the software, and a little photo in the background. It's all sectioned off right there. It gives it a kind of an overall nice look to it. This is the end of part 1 for getting creative with e-covers. Please open or download part 2.